discount, and I got 2 things that came in today. So, not this whole track, but just this piece and that piece. I mean, that piece and that train. And I also got some other waterproof shoes. And I'm going to swim after this video. And then this is a review. I'm going to name this train track the 498 track. And we're hopefully you can make a YouTube video on your channel and give us suggestions of greater ones than mine. I think I'm not the greatest one. I think someone else can be the winner and get the trophy sometimes. So whoever's the winner, please give us the name and the number name and the motto track and what pieces, and review you showing the train ride on the whole track like I am doing too. So I have these old pieces that I just colored on. This one says Marta. Anyway, I'm just pretending. It's just a fake train though. So it's not really copywriting because no big persons can fit in a little train. Only fake persons from Brio can. Anyway, so it's fast. And then, so I have some persons that can go in here. I have a lot of them. One of these Harry Potter guys, they're strange ones. Like this guy. And I think I have some other guys. But this is the only one I can find right now. And so give me a thumbs up if you like this track, or a thumbs down if you don't. But make sure to really give me a thumbs up, because I think people would like this suggestion so much if people had all these pieces that I could have. Make sure you color them the right color as my tracks, since they're a little bit colored on, and I just like it. So, it's like I'm just like pretending they're electric wires powering the train to move like Marta, like the big Marta. It has a other side with that little white tube, and it holds power, and it glides along, and that's the power for it. So I just didn't know how to make tubes on the side of every one, so I just wrote raw power lines, and that was all I was gonna say. But now I'm not gonna say anything and show you how I'm playing with this train set. So I've seen one of these things, except it doesn't have a square box car. It just has a green flatbed in the front and the back. And so that's the travel set, and it cost $100. Ding! Sent $20, and then $100. And now I'm gonna stop my voice, and you're gonna see how I'm playing with this thing. And this thing also comes with this tunnel in the package. Now, when people are over, you put the train on this little base so people think it's a model and don't throw it down the stairs or destroy it. So there you go on your model base, or when the people leave, just put it back on the track and keep playing with it. Oh, and go right for it. You want to. Anyway,